like a loop, and it's got little pieces of paper on it, so it gets a little tangled, I'm gonna warn you. So if you kind of take these off, oops, these little pieces of paper off, gently. So it's just in this loop here. And then if you can kind of keep it in there around your hand and pull. Okay. So this is embroidery thread. It's specific for embroidering. Sewing thread is really thin, and it's on like a thin, like a spool. It's on a spool, and it's usually like really small pieces of thread together. This is 6 strands. Okay. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna pull probably about my wingspan. You've got long arms, it might be pretty long, but that's a kind of good rule of thumb. And then I will cut it here. And then just make sure to leave this, because it gets tangled really easily. I have a box full of just tangled embroidery thread that it's impossible to get undone once it's all tangled. Okay, so let me zoom in a little bit. So it's 6 small strands all together, if you can kind of see under my finger. Usually it depends on what you're doing for your design. If you want a thicker thread, you can leave it just like this and not take it apart. You can use 2 strands, you can use 3, 4, but I usually take about 3. So that's basically doubling the amount of thread I have here. Okay, so I'm gonna count 1, 2, 3. Okay, so when you're pulling it apart, you have to be very gentle and slow, because if you pull it too fast and too tight, it's gonna start to tangle. So you can see even just here, that loop that's forming. So just take your time.